clicking on this video. My name is Lana Christine, for those who do not know, and this is going to be a tutorial on these braids that I did. I've done this look before, I just never recorded it, so I finally got it on camera. So I hope you guys like the tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. And I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to get right into the video. So you guys, if you are not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Why not? You won't regret it. Make sure you like the video and let me know how I did. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys in my voiceover. So we're going to start off this voiceover by saying I'm a little bald-headed. I'm going through a rough patch. Don't worry, my bounce back game is strong. So the first thing you need is the first thing you're gonna need is some braiding hair. So I actually got this from the beauty supply store. It's the brand Innocence. I just actually found it and picked it up. So I wanted to go with gray. So what I did was I bought an ombre gray pack, and then I bought just all gray because I wanted to use the gray to extend it in the back. You're going to need some Eco Styling gel, and you're going to need some Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. You can use the regular one. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to start off by oiling these edges. Like I said, my hair is going through a rough patch. So that's what I'm doing first. And I'm going to oil it some more. And I'm going to oil it some more. Like, y'all see my hair, right? Yeah. It needs to be extremely oily before I get started. So, now I'm going to part my hair to do the middle braid. I just decided to do a middle braid to separate the two braids that I'm going to do. And you're going to need another mirror to make sure your parts are straight. Very important. It plays a part in how neat your hair looks in the end. So I'm just going to gel my little hairs down in the front, and I'm going to begin to braid. And it was at this moment that I realized that I didn't even have enough hair to finish this braid. Like, how pathetic is this? Like, I thought I was Rapunzel or something. But don't worry. Like I said, my bounce back game is strong. Wait on it. So now we're going to start on the parts. Now, before I start braiding the two braids, what you want to do is part it to give it that stitch look. You want like the braid stitch look. So in order to get that, you have to part it in little sections and then put it in ponytails. Now, what I'm just doing now is focusing on making sure that the parts are straight, and you're going to see soon how it should look in the end. Okay, so now we got to get rid of this hanging braid. So what we're going to do is just attach it to the last ponytail on this side. So what you just saw me doing was gathering the hair up with the Murray's wax. And now I'm just putting it in a little mini ponytail. And then we're going to start on the next side. And I'm just going to speed it up so, you know, you could get a gist of what you're supposed to do. Oh, you guys, I almost forgot to tell you this. It might be a little important. Make sure that your parts are the same as the other side. So as big as the other side is, make it the exact same. Okay, I'm gonna let you finish watching. Okay, so now that I'm done with the parting process, what I'm going to do now is flat iron my hair. I have nick naps. My hair is very thick. So in order for me to make it a little bit manageable, I like to flat iron it. So after I do get done flat ironing it, I put the Murray's wax on it to kind of make sure everything is laying down flat before I put it in a ponytail. So with the front, I'm going to flat iron it as well, but what I'm going to do different is I'm not going to put it in a ponytail. I actually wanted to go from smallest to largest when I braid it, and I don't want to put a ponytail because I think that'll make it a little bulky. So yeah, I'm just going to braid it and not put it in a ponytail. So before you start braiding, you have to prep the hair first. It's going to be extremely hard while you're braiding. So make sure you prep the hair first from smallest to largest, just like this. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I went ahead and already did the first braid. So the first thing you're going to do is lay your edges down. So I'm using the Murray's wax because that other gel just gets my hair extremely curly. And it's hard for me to braid. So I'm using the wax. And then I'm going to lay my baby hairs down first, and then we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna start off by braiding it a couple times, and then you're gonna see me add the first strand. Now when you add the strand, you're gonna start, like I said, with the smallest one, and then you're gonna gradually pick up the larger ones. So when am I gonna do it? Okay, this is when I'm gonna do it. I'm going to pinch where I have my hand pinched. I'm going to slip the hair in there and then just continue to braid and grab it with my hair. So I noticed like my hair was still sticking out while I was trying to braid. If you have long hair, you don't have to worry about this, but you know, I was really trying to perfect it. So I just had to just give it up and just realize that I was just too bald headed. So I just kept braiding and I had some hair sticking out, but you're going to see me once I'm done, gel them down and it'll be perfectly fine in the end. Okay, so I went ahead and laid my edges down with my scarf, and I also added some accessories to my braids. So now I'm just sealing the ends up with some hot water, and that is the final step, you guys. I will see you in my next video. No. Say, what are you doing, man? That's so cute. You say hi. Hi. See? Hey. Isaiah, what is wrong with you? You're just sabotaging me. What are you talking about, Isaiah? I gotta show you. I'm about to put it on my phone and show y'all what he doing right now. He watches me entirely too much. Are you talking like mommy? Okay, you ready to get in the tub? We're gonna put you in the tub. Yeah, the tub. Oh my god, look at your nose. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go put you in the tub. Yeah, we're gonna put you in the tub. Please, you say please. Yeah.